Hello and welcome to our very own special segment Re-Energize India with Rasna. Summer is right around the corner and it's essential to keep ourselves hydrated to be energized. Keeping this in mind, we bring to you a special feature with the theme Re-Energize India with Rasna to emphasize the importance of staying energized through the day.
I actually have thought, what does Indian customer need? Especially in the summer, we need energy to do with our work. Now when you say energy, you will say, everybody is running? Obviously everybody is not. Or say everybody is into sports, everybody is not. But in today, day-to-day life also you need energy. So I believe this country we need to re-energize. And the re-energy is today not only needed for the economy or for the overall, what I call the geopolitics, but the energy part also is required for the customer. So that the customer can get revitalized, and with that revitalization he can spend his day.
In today's fast-paced environment, we tend to prioritize our professional lives over our personal lives. This choice has created a shift in the equilibrium which results in short-term gain.
Non-stop 6 ka instant energy mix.
It is essential to revitalize and replenish our energy on a daily basis, and the only way to do this is to maintain a balance between the demands of work and personal time, which leads to a healthy life.
सुबह की प्रैक्टिस इम्पोर्टेंट है ना? हाँ, हर सुबह रियल हनी की प्रैक्टिस.
Energy is important in every aspect of our lives and for every age group as well. We consume our energy on a daily basis to perform various activities, whether it's maintaining a healthy lifestyle, playing a sport, playtime for children, or even studies.
We work very late hours, we used to go early, we don't have fixed working hours. So it's very difficult to, strike a balance between family life, work life, and then to spend time for your own life, So it's a very hectic schedule. I always lack short of time. But then I made my priorities clear that no matter what happens, I need to spend 1.5 hours every day in gym.
आपको तो बस क्रिकेट खेलना है, मेरे को स्कूल, पीटी, ट्यूशन, अरे कहाँ से लाऊं एनर्जी?
The mantra to staying energized is, a healthy body leads to a healthy mind.
My definition of healthy life would be something where you, in today's time especially when everybody's professionally working and personally juggling between these two lives, balancing between your profession, personal life is also very important to lead a healthy life. आपको define करना होता है where you shut down from a social media life, from a professional life. When you head home, you have to shut yourself completely out of that world and belong to your own personal life. And when you are totally in your professional life, you head totally towards your professional life. So when you define your balance between these two kind of lives, you start living a healthy life.
Fitness के लिए रोज exercise जरूरी है. Exercise के लिए energy जरूरी है. और energy के लिए नया instant rush.
A healthy lifestyle is achieved through staying physically and emotionally fit. Staying active is a long-term investment for our health. Our bodies require an adequate amount of rest, sleep, liquid intake, and most importantly, correct nutrition.
A healthy life requires a healthy and happy mind, body and soul. To achieve this, you need to give the body and the mind the right kind of nutrition, the right kind of energy, the right kind of hydration, and the right kind of thoughts.
Having a strong foothold in the food and beverage industry for over 4 decades, Rasna has quickly evolved with its growing consumer needs as an energy drink for every occasion and every individual in society.
Desi Swadan ek, Rasna ek. I love you, Rasna!
USP of Rasna is we all stand for fruit. And today if you see, each of our products has fruit powder inside. So if you pick up any product of us, it has real natural fruit inside. We don't use any imported fruits. So we use Indian oranges from Nagpur or the mangoes which are from basically South India, or the limes which is from Maharashtra. So that way, if a person wants a good Indian fruit drink, Rasna is a very good choice.
इंस्टेंट रसना फ्रूट प्लस आजकल यही रोज पीता हूँ। इसके अंदर है 21 विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स और नेचुरल फ्रूट एनर्जी।
Rasna, the iconic Indian brand, is constantly bringing about change in its product portfolio. The company ensures that along with fruits, the products are energizing and full of vitamins and minerals.
We have to make the products energizing. So what we have done is, if you look at our total portfolio, and let me just take you through it. Our total portfolio today is high on vitamins, minerals, glucose. So if you pick up any pack of Rasna, and for example you take the pack, and in every pack there is an ingredient list. So you will see inside there is 21 vitamins, minerals, glucose. Now this product in front of me is actually our latest product, which is Honey Vita, which has malt inside, chocolate inside, 21 vitamins, minerals, to give you an example.
मेरा वाला हॉट ड्रिंक तेरे वाले ड्रिंक से बड़ा चैंपियन है। क्यों? मेरे वाले हॉट ड्रिंक में रियल हनी है, तेरे वाले में नहीं है। सिंपल। रसना नेटिव हार्ट हनी वीटा में है 21 विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, नो प्रिजर्वेटिव्स और रियल हनी की अच्छाई। थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क और रोज रसना नेटिव हार्ट हनी वीटा। अब आपको चैंपियन बनने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता।
Or let us take this product which is with Rohit endorsement. It is called Rasna Insta because it gives instant energy, and that is what we require today in the summer.
Rasna is one drink I have had throughout my childhood. My memories with Rasna are really close. It's because since I was a kid, my mom and my dad, they used to get the bottle, they used to make the syrups out of it, bottles of syrup, and then we used to pour and have water and ice cubes and used to have Rasna at that point. Yeah.
Ever since I was in school days, I used to hear that blend, I love you Rasna.
I love you,
And
Rasna.
since then, till date, I keep loving Rasna. I have a very strong affinity for this product. And I use this product quite often during my working workouts when I need a lot of energy flush.
एनर्जी ड्रिंक में क्या रहता है, ग्लूकोज रहता है, तो रसना फ्लेवर्ड है और ग्लूकोज भी उसके अंदर और टेस्टी रहता है, तो क्या है पीते से हमें एकदम वाइटलाइज कर देता है बॉडी को, एकदम फुल ऑफ एनर्जी कर देता है.
I am associated with Rasna since my childhood because it has been the brand which have been known to us since the birth only. So definitely I look forward to that Rasna energy drink.
रसना के सिवा और कोई ड्रिंक ही नहीं सुना था. So it is always, when you hear Rasna, even if you don't drink, you always come back to all the old memories, that how much you craved as a kid when parents used to buy you a Rasna. When you go on holidays, it was all about Rasna, you know. It was not of drink, it was something what you cherished. It was a joy and a memory what you get when parents, it's a reward parents used to give us.
I love you, Rasna. Wow.
Rasna as a brand has metamorphosized into a household name with a strong recall value for every person from the 80s. An entire generation grew up to the slogan of a delicious orange drink known as
I love you, Rasna.
I love you, Rasna.
I love you, Rasna.
This slogan binds the Indian family together for every occasion and creates a sense of belonging amongst its consumers.
Like every family-owned business in India, they all start with a purpose. And when my great-grandfather started the company, always the purpose has been to have a very ethical, family-owned company which works for all stakeholders of society. We Parsis always believe that we are trustees for good of the society. So whatever benefits we get, obviously for ourselves, we can live well, we can spend ourselves, but actually we have to take care of all stakeholders. So our stakeholders are obviously our employees, our suppliers, whatever. But most important stakeholder is our customer. And that is the reason, following my great-grandfather's policy, we are still the most value for money soft drink in the country. Because we believe that Rasna is like the drink of the country, especially in the summer. So to provide an energizing drink at only 1 rupee, 2 rupees a glass is our basic ethos to the whole of the country. That's why whenever you see a Rasna orange drink, people or any orange drink, they will identify it as Rasna. So that is the beauty.
There could be no better brand ambassador to Rasna than youth icon Rohit Sharma himself.
Rasna Insta. 21 vitamins.
It was purely Rohit's focus and determination that has brought him to the top, quite similar to the Rasna story itself. The family-owned business is an integral household name. The brand's constant endeavor to uncompromise quality and price has made it a popular drink amongst the youth.
Rasna Insta. 21 विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स और ग्लूकोज। अब 400 ग्राम पाउच एक स्पोर्टी सिपर पैक में। रसना इंस्टा एनर्जी।
Two things. Number one is he's a youth icon. So you go from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everybody knows him. But more important, he actually what I call personifies the real youth and their ambitions today. Somebody who has with his own will, his own hard work, he has come up in life. And Rasna also is something like similar. As a company, as an organization, we also are almost similar. So I think it's a good gel.
Rasna is the product that Rohit Sharma, the brand ambassador for the company, endorses. It helps give instant energy, something that is needed in our daily lives.
Rasna Insta Energy.
To me, what Rasna signifies is everybody coming together from youth to the adults. And, you know, it's an Indian brand, iconic brand. We've seen it over the years, in each and every neighborhood. So yes, and I'm very, very happy to be associated and part of Rasna family.
I love you, Rasna.
इंडिया की स्वाद अलग पर मांगे साथ में कुछ पीने को दो.
Rasna comes up with a unique thought process to bring out different campaigns every time. Like every year, this year also, the brand has come up with a new set of advertisement campaigns. As a part of the family, Rohit Sharma is playing the role of a Muppeteer, which he said is a different role as he's seen playing with kids.
I love you, Rasna.
I've seen it over the years. Rasna comes up with a unique, thought process as to how they're going to reach out to the people. This year, since I've been part of the family, this year I'm playing a role of Muppeteer with Muppet, and it's something very, very unusual for me, but I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm sure kids will love it too.
कितने आदमी हैं?
सरदार 2
आदमी 2 और रसना 1?
एक का 2 रसना, 1 रुपए में 2 ग्लास रसना ऑरेंज। I love you, रसना।
Yeah, it's so hot. AC. Sorry, कुआं, बर्फ.
ये ले AC.
पेश है नींबू कमलम युक्त रसना घर का नींबू पानी।
I love you रसना कोला कोला.
ये तो सबसे अच्छा है, सच्चा है, और माँ कहती है तो जो सच्ची होती है वही खूबसूरत होती है.
सचमुच हेल्थी कोला.
It's not only Rohit Sharma who is a part of Rasna's journey. Over the years, various well-known celebrities have been a part of the Rasna family.
मसाला मारा.
रसना योगा पिएंगे मस्ती से. पी के बोलो.
Rasna Rupees 2 pack. Instant Rasna, instant energy.
अब बोल दे क्या?
I love you, Rasna.